Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about the div element. The div element is often used as a container for other HTML elements. The div element has no required attributes, but style, class, and ID are common. The div element has no required attributes, but style, class, ID are the common attributes that people use with div element. When used together with CSS, the div element can be used to style blocks of content. Don't forget, in our previous tutorial we discussed about block element, and div element is one of the block elements. So we can use the style attribute to style the div element, to style the block element. So when you are using the div element, you can use style attribute along with CSS property, along with their values, to style the block element. So quickly, let me show you how this works. As you can see here, right here, we are having our opening and closing div tag, along with what? Our header tag, which is h2 tag, our p tag also. We have discussed about all these tags. These h2 tags, p tag, we have discussed about it in our previous tutorial. You can check our previous tutorial on it. So quickly, let me show you how this works right now. Back to our document. This is what we got, as you can see. And back to our code. This is what we got. And there is no any magic in this. The code that got all these documents for us is right here. So quickly, let's use our div element and style it. Delete all this and delete all the styles. As you can see, we delete all the styles that we are having inside our document. It remains only our what? Only our body, empty body tag, along with the HTML markups, the template. So now save your document and reload it. Can you see we are having nothing here right now? So what do we want to do? We want to use the div tag, right? So quickly, let's write div. When you write div, inside here we need what? h2 tag, along with what again? We need p tag again. So we need all these three tags to create something. So for instance, let's get back here. Firstly, let's check our document. Can you see nothing is happening here right now? So let's use this. Or let me do like this. Let's come back to our document here and write something new. Let's say Nigeria. Nigeria is the giant of Africa. When we save it, you can see what we are having. Let's reload our document. Can you see what we are having here right now? So let's say, for instance, we want to style this div element. So quickly, let's give it style attribute. Inside our document here, we are having background. We will specify background color and also padding. So quickly, let's use background color. Let's give it blue violet. Let's give it color. Let's give it white. Then let's give it padding. let's give it 20. Let me see the value we are giving it here. Then let's give it 20 pixel. It's okay. Let's see what we got here. Reload your document. Can you see what we are having right now? We are having Nigeria is the giant of Africa. As you can see, our block element, it took over all the width size of our document. As you can see, can you see the way it looks? So that is the scope behind the div styling. We style our div. This is what we did. We style our div with color, along with what? Along with which we style it with background color, along with padding. So, and here is what we got. So this div element is a block element. As you can see, it take over all the width size of our screen. So if you notice very well, we didn't style the h2 element and also the p tag. We didn't style it yet. We only style our word, our div element, our block element, so that it can let us see what is going on. So that is the benefit of using the style attribute. And also, don't forget, in our document we said we can use class, can use id. So in our future tutorial, we are still going to display how you can use class and id in clear details, so that you should not mix everything together. Actually, we discussed about this before. So as you can see right now, we are discussing about it right now, and this class also we have discussed it in our previous tutorial, but we didn't discuss it in depth. But in the later features tutorial, we are going to discuss in depth about it, so you can be able to control all these things you are seeing right here in a very reasonable way. So that's what I want to show you guys. So I think I'm done right now. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.